Hey guys, Mike here at Russ Darrow MItsubishi. It's around that time of the year. I'm just gonna explain with you guys and help you guys with a little knowledge that what can happen in the summertime with your vehicles. The heat will warm up your tires, so it may cause blowouts if you have an old tire, so double check that. Double check your batteries, just because if they made it through the winter and they're getting a little old, it'll be hard for them to hold charge, so they may die on you. The air conditioning system will be working a little bit harder during this season, so just make sure that you check it and make sure everything's up to where it needs to be. And then just do a quick service inspection on your engine just to make sure that everything, the belts, hoses, and everything like that are in good condition, just so you don't have any unfortunate situations happening to you. If you guys need any help with any of those service inquiries or questions at all, give us a call here at 262-506-3150. We'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.